United Progressive Association Andhra Kendra UPAC has asserted that the Andhra Assembly constituency in Imphal East District is the most underdeveloped constituency in the state, facing significant shortages in electricity, water, medical facilities and education. During a discussion on the constituency's development held today at their office in Yairipok, Yambim, a 2-minute silence was observed in tribute to the late Muhammad Abdul Kalam, an advisor to the association. Speaking at the event, UPAC President Muhammad Zakir Hussain criticized the government for neglecting the constituency's development. He pointed out that the deteriorating condition of roads in Yairipok and surrounding areas has created hazardous, accident-prone situations that have claimed many lives. He expressed concern over the panic experienced by the community during the rainy season due to these unsafe conditions. Zakir Hussain emphasized that the electric post and wiring have remained unchanged since 1980, with many posts uprooted by wind, posing further challenges to the community. He highlighted the poor state of primary health centers, PHCs, stating that many lives have been lost while attempting to reach hospitals in Imphal or Thoban. He further drew the attention of relevant authorities to address these critical issues at the earliest.
Andhra Kendra haibasi leiriba Manipur Kendra humpu sigi manungda chawkhat lamjenda maning thaduna chatle haidana prajasina Kendra khungdung nei do maru oina assembly da mai hibam hanguragadi mai hibam phakale hai do Andhra Kendra sidi Manipur da mai hibam phakata yaw yaw do bara prajasina so kangang ngare haibasi ni amborom da mai yenguraga muka lambi thongda oingaran chingkhungdagi Yairipok thongthong phawai prajamya nembiyo Azad High School Yolai the Gina, Katen Mabitari Lambi, Sibon, Tangi, Long Suragan Sing Hopa, like Hong Hopa, Sarago Full Hova, Hariba Lambi Hongasi, Kanan, Sipatano, Kataukaram, Down Toragambasi, Pasalamba Yaga have to be health sector, education sector, power sector, Levaki Mapimapa, Lusina, Tangi Shinbire Haraga, Andhra Kendra Sibu, Manipur Leva Kendra Maya Masiga, Madudaki Hibam Natrazo, Sakapa Kendra Maga, Managa. Come on, the Habibu have a say.